Hey, what's up? How you doing today? Now for the Who's Your Daddy of tree trimmers. I call it the Girrafe. It's a Kershaw Sky Trim 75 G3, 75 foot it extends. I got my tape measure on me. I just measured that sucker's 2 foot diameter table saw blade. The front blade is 8.5 feet long, wide I should say. And then the tires are about 5 feet tall. So, man, pretty cool. I don't know where they make them, or what they did before they had these, but they're spoiled. It's way better than climbing a tree. Some poor sap climbing a tree with his chainsaw. It was revved up pretty good the other day, and I couldn't tell if it was gas or diesel because it was turning at least 2,000 or 3,000 RPM. So I don't know, but I'll show you some other cool stuff about it. As soon as these dumb cars will quit going by. So this is the where the operator hangs out, and under there, that thing turns 360 degrees. I'll get a close up on this gear here. And then there's the small gear that turns it, hydraulics of course. Pretty cool. We got a nice big winch on here too. But man, operator's right up in there. Pretty cool machine in my opinion. Of course, you gotta have your cancer sticks while you're at work. Kill you nice and slow. But man, it's a cool machine in my opinion. Whoops.